We are getting ready to install a door here. This is on the side with the lean-to, and there's also going to be a door up there. As you can see, James put a 4x4 post here. He also put a 4x4 post in the front to frame out this door. We're gonna go ahead and get these in, but obviously we don't have concrete yet. So what James is currently doing is using this fancy level thing, which we freaking love and have used a lot on this barn build. I'll put a link to that in the description below. It's from Amazon, cheap and worth every penny. So what we are doing is finding the grade because we don't know where the concrete's gonna end. So we figured out exactly where it will be once it's to grade so that we can install the door accordingly. Correct.
Okay, we're going to start framing out this door, and then we're going to go back there to frame that door. Already got a post in the ground, got it in concrete. Now we're just going to basically frame it out.
Making progress. You can see we cut out these vertical girts there to make way for the door, cut out part of that bottom board, and we screwed in, I don't even know what you'd call that, the header, whatever that board is there. Update again. Got all those boards in. All these little ones. And then also the header going across the top.
It's not really a header.
I don't know what to call it, so I'm calling it a header.
Okay.
Also, it's freezing. We look like idiots, but it's dropped over 20 degrees in the past hour and a half. It's cold and it's so windy. So anyway, we're gonna get some silicone and put the door in.
See how sturdy it is. That's a pretty sturdy door right there.
It is. Silicone.
Can you hold this for a second, please?
Like a glove. And the door is in. Go ahead and open it, babe. Perfect. Looks wonderful. So this door is in. The door that we're going to put in back there will be the door to the woodworking part of the shop. So we're going to do that next. Okay, we're still surviving in the wind, barely, but the door frame is done. We're gonna get our next door in. Done. Door number 2 is in. Oh, I'm so excited because since the doors are in, that means we are finally ready to put the metal roof on. So stay tuned for that because that'll be the next video. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a great week and let us know if you have any questions.